Dr. Malini, and today I'm going to be telling you a few common etiquettes, common manners for the actual PLAB 2 exam day. So let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so when you enter the station, there's an examiner and there's the patient. Okay, so you must greet the examiner. Make sure that you know that your exam is in the morning or in the afternoon time, and you have you have a fluency over time wishing people. So you just time wish them good evening, good afternoon, whatever your time is, good morning, and then you move to the patient after time wishing the examiner. Okay, so you must always time wish the patient as well. Okay, no matter it's a girl, guy, old woman, old lady, a lesbian, whatever they are, you have to time wish them. Okay, then if you're somebody who usually shakes hand with people, then it's a good thing. You must shake hands with all the patients because it's actually a norm in United Kingdom, in mostly all the European countries, in America as well. You shake hand with people. Okay, so if you're somebody who usually does that, go for it. But if you're not, then I wouldn't say that go over the edge to be somebody that you're not, because the most important thing in the PLAB exam is that you have to be yourself. You have to be yourself. You have to be confident in yourself. And if it's an old person, it's an old lady, it's an old man, just forget everything and shake their hand. Okay, then, while when you're sitting opposite to the patient, just make sure you're sitting in an appropriate manner. Some people have this habit of unintentionally sitting very awkwardly in front of people. So make sure that that habit of yours does not go with you to the exam center. Okay, and when you look, you make sure you have a good eye contact with the patient. Don't look pointlessly at the walls, at the roof, at the BNF, at the table, or at the examiner. That gives a very bad impression. So don't do that. And when it's the time for the findings, don't vaguely look at the examiner expecting that he will just blurt them out to you. Don't stare at the examiner. It's very rude when you do that. It just leaves a very bad impression. Also, in Breaking Bad situations, if the patient is standing, you must stand no matter what. Stand with them, talk with them, and calm them down. And when they are properly seated, then seat yourself down. And just don't make any inappropriate hand gestures. uh, if you usually use your hands a lot for talking or making some gestures, just make sure they're not inappropriate. You can practice that while you're going to the academy, or when you have time for preparation. You can practice that a lot in front of the mirror, and make sure that you don't do the same mistakes on the exam day, because like all of your actions, they definitely do count. I had a pretty good score in my interpersonal skills, and I just kept a note of all these things that I am right now telling you guys. And then when you're about to leave, just say goodbye to the patient, say goodbye to the examiner, and just say to the patient, have a good day. Like, I'm sure while you're living in Manchester or you're living in London, you definitely have used the public transport. Or if not the public transport, you've gone for groceries and you've seen everybody says, have a good day, cheers, have a nice day. And they're like, hey, you alright? It's not, they don't want to know whether you're alright or not, but it's just something that they use in their everyday language. So make sure when you're leaving the room, you thank the examiner, you thank the patient, and you just say, have a good day. I hope you find these tips helpful, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, and leave it down in the comments below if you want to ask me any more questions about PLAB 2. Have a good day.